Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to let you all know that today is the class, January 25th at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time on the Paper Phenomenon Ustream channel for the Year in Review album. This one has been out there for a while and we're finally going to kick it off after my almost 1 month of rest, if you will. And I'm so excited to get back to what I love doing most, which is crafting and hanging out with you all. The Year in Review album is, if you all watch my previous video, I call it the Big Kahuna of albums. This album will allow you to house a complete year of memories in one central place in the Year in Review album. That's what this album is all about. It is designed by quarter. It's structured with folders and sections that take you through from January through December in this one album. It will allow you to house those photographs, full 4x6 photographs, and it will also give you an opportunity. You know, we all have those special times in that month, the particular year that we want to go ahead and elaborate and emphasize on. You get that opportunity here with a large size pocket here and a beautiful opportunity for a large size photograph here if that's the case with you. We don't always have the 4x6. Sometimes we want to jot down a quick memory, but other times we want to go ahead and just say, this was a big important time in my life, and that's where I want to put that in this. It's worthy of this big spread right here. So I really love that about the design in this album. And it tells a story. You open this up and it tells the complete story of that quarter, that particular month, that particular event. So I'm really excited about this album. It also continues on with pockets on the outside, on the inside here, three pockets on the outside, just for added playfulness and tucking away interaction, all that good stuff that we love in our album. Here on the inside cover, we have an expandable file folder, which, again, more opportunities for photographs and journaling. The album continues throughout. This triple pocket assembly here is a bonus project for the Kit Club, and that will be posted to the Kit Club site. I'll show you all how to do this. It looks like one single page, but once you put your 4x6 photo mats in there, you can definitely tell that this is a triple pocket assembly here. We finish off the quarter. This is just one section of the book, January, February, March, with a large size file folder pocket or pocket file folder assembly here. And I love that because it allows you, again, pictures, drawings, like for instance, February. The little kitties come home with the Valentine's Day cards from mom and dad, right? This is where it goes. So I love that idea. This also makes a fantastic baby book. Today during the class, my version of this project will be a baby book. So I will show that here on YouTube for all of you to take a quick peek. If you're interested, the tutorial is available on my blog for this project if you can't make it to the class, or if you just want to have the instructions handy. Step-by-step instructions. I want to show you all what you get with my tutorials. And I'm always available if you have any questions. So I'm there, guys, for you. But step-by-step instructions on how to make this from start to finish, and lots of pictures with arrows identifying exactly what I'm talking about. Because just because it makes sense to me, it doesn't mean it's going to make sense to you. So I want to point that all out for you all. So this is a year in review with the fabulous sleeve. And I'll show that one more time. Put your sunglasses on because I may blind you with this one. But really fun case. This can absolutely be anything that you would like it to be for that special year. Beautiful album for kindergartens or graduating from high school that's just making notations of that special year. Or every year in our life is special, but you all know what I mean. And more importantly, I think that this album is a really good step in the mini album world for those of you who have been on the fence. This is a really large album. It's not quite 12 by 12, and in my opinion, it's not quite a mini. I never make mini-minis, so this one is just, I knocked it out of the ballpark with this one. This one is huge. But if you want to do a mini album and you don't like the mini, this might be the album for you guys. I can't wait to see you all at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time today. Check out this beautiful charm you got in the kit. Love, love, love. So we're going to have a blast. Let's see how long I last today during the class. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye.